got interrupted by my neighbor. We shall continue. So to reiterate, tied down the back end just keeps the motorcycle a bit more steady and keeps it from bouncing side to side. Let's look at the front tie downs. I will use a step ladder to show you the front tie downs. Front tie downs. Ratchet straps. You've got to have ratchet straps. That's the only way to go, ratchet straps. And I'll demonstrate this in more detail, but you have to have soft ties around the forks or handlebars. So you start out by tying down the motorcycle to the ramp itself, which is here. That's the first step, to tie down the motorcycle to the ramp to pull the bike up into the pickup. And I will demonstrate the unloading and loading process. Once the bike is in the pickup, then one adds the extra tie downs to the front of the motorcycle and to the tie downs on the side. Oh, little tip, you have to be able to get at your spare tire. It's a great idea to have the spare tire mounted in the bed of the pickup where it's very accessible. I had first mounted my ramp and put the motorcycle in the pickup, and the spare tire was mounted underneath and there was no way to get at it. So I had to actually remove the motorcycle, remove the ramp, and get at the spare tire. And I bought a mounting system for the spare tire. But let's this is redundant, or I will reiterate that one ties down the front of the motorcycle twice. Once to load it up on the ramp and get it up in the pickup, and once it's in the pickup, tie down to the pickup.